Hey everyone, welcome to another video. It's Jenny, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to my channel so far. Now let's get into the review. Today I am reviewing the Munchkin 360 Miracle Cup, and I have three different miracle cups. They're all by Munchkin and they are all the miracle cups, but one is stainless and the other two are plastic. As far as I know, they are all BPA free, definitely the stainless steel one. And in addition to the cups, I also have two tops that I'm going to review and a silicone straw. So these are accessories that go with the cups that you can buy from Amazon.com. So the first cup that I purchased for my daughter was actually the stainless steel cup, and I really wanted something that wasn't plastic, and I felt like she didn't really need the training handles, so I went ahead and bought her this, and that was about when she was 6 months old. But the cup is actually quite tall, if you can see, and it was too heavy for my daughter to use, so I was kind of disappointed in that. And so then I decided to buy her the plastic version, and they have a plastic version without the handles and they have a plastic version with the handles, but I decided to use the handles because she still wasn't quite getting the hang of just holding on to the cup. And I'm not sure if you can notice, but the decorated Munchkin cup is actually smaller than the non-decorated Munchkin cup. Now they do have two versions of the decorated one. They have a large version and a short version, and I purchased the shorter version, but this cup is quite small. And so I'd say if you want to buy one to start your baby out with a training cup, I would probably go with the smaller version, or you could go with the larger version, and that would be good through the first and second year. All of the cups have the same mechanism, and you've probably seen this from other videos, but basically it just twists off. You have a regular cup, and then the secret is this top. So it has holes where the water will filter out, and it has this little top that keeps the water from coming out. And your baby sucks on the lip or the edge and the water will come out. So they call this the Miracle 360 cup because your baby should be able to turn it upside down and no water should come out or fluid. And this one, if you can see, has some water in it, and if I turn it upside down, nothing comes out. And if I shake it, nothing comes out. And they should be able to drop this cup on the ground and it should be a spill-proof cup. But what I have found is that it's not completely spill-proof. So a lot of times I will bring this and put it in my bag now that my baby's a toddler, and I just throw it in my backpack that I normally use, and I find that if the top presses against anything in my bag, the water will spill out like that, and then the inside of my bag will be completely wet. So if you take this with you, I would probably suggest bringing a lid because it will spill. The water will come out. Also, if my daughter accidentally drops this on the ground, and if it hits the edge here, then it will spill out onto the floor. Not a tremendous amount, but just a little bit. So I feel like the plastic version of the cups have been really good cups. My daughter has picked up how to use it. When she was 6 months old, I would say this one is the lighter one. This one feels a little bit heavier, and it's also bigger. But she picked up how to use it, I would say within a couple of days. And the packaging says that it's recommended by dentists and it's good for oral development. Not sure if you can see that there, but it does say dentist recommended spoutless design. So the problem with a lot of other cups is that they'll have a spout on the edge where the kids suck the liquid out of the spout, and that spout is actually not good for the formation of the mouth and the teeth. So they say that this is a better design and a more natural design for drinking. And that's one of the reasons why I decided to purchase that, and also because they said it was spill proof. Now the stainless steel one, it's very nice, good quality. The plastic ones are also good quality. Here you can see on the inside of the cup, and I haven't used this yet, but I like that it was stainless because it can keep cold things very cold and hot things hot. But just be reminded of that. If you put hot liquid in there, you should supervise your child because it could burn them. And as I showed earlier, they're not completely spill proof. They can spill some liquid, especially if the lid isn't on tight. As far as the accessories, I bought these accessories to go with the plastic cups, but they also fit on the stainless cup. And basically these are just different tops and they screw right on like that. And if you can see, this one has a open spout, and that provides a lot more of a flow rate so your child can drink more. And I bought this because I thought it would be good as my baby was getting older and turning into a toddler, but she really didn't seem to like this feature. And honestly, she just kind of likes to drink out of the cup like this now that she's getting more used to drinking out of open cups. The accessories that I bought online, and they come in a package like this, a 2-pack with a straw, and I purchased them on Amazon.com. Now, they used to have it where you had to buy 2 of those packages to be able to order, but they changed it, and then they allowed you to only buy 1 package. And so each package contains, again, 2 tops and 1 straw, and it costs something like $5. Now this top has a little hole, and the silicone straw goes through the hole, and then this again screws on to the cup, and then your child can drink from it. And I really thought that this would be something fun, that she would like it because she likes straws, and I thought, oh, I can use that in the summer for smoothies and things like that. But honestly, this silicone straw is a real pain in the butt. I find that the part that goes into the cup is way too short, and the part that comes out of the cup is very tall. Now you could cut it down to better length, but it's very difficult to clean, and my daughter doesn't like the texture of the silicone straw, so I really don't find myself using this at all, or the tops. So I would say, you know, if you want to spend $5, $6, go ahead, but really it's not necessary, and your child may not like it. One other thing I wanted to talk about is how to clean the cups. So this one, well, all of them have a little ring here that comes off, and I've never had a problem with mold, but a lot of people complain about mold, so make sure you take the ring off and clean that. And also remember to pull this off and clean this. I just clean it by hand, and then if I want to really have it sanitized, I'll throw it into the dishwasher. And whether I clean it by hand or I clean it in the dishwasher, I make sure that all of the parts are taken off, and then I dry them on a bottle drying rack for overnight or for a day, and they're good to go for the next use. Also, I wanted to mention that on the packaging, it doesn't say anything about the flow rate, but on the Munchkin website, or on a Munchkin informational video, it does say that the cups have a different flow rate. So these, I believe, are recommended for 6 months and up, and then this one is recommended for a toddler. So I really think that this one's going to have the slower flow rate, and then this one's going to have the fastest flow rate, and this one's also going to have like a faster flow rate than the smaller one. So once your baby, it seems like they've gotten used to this one, I would go to the next size or just start using an open cup, because really, like I said, my daughter, she's almost 2 years old and she can drink fine from an open cup. The only thing is that, she can spill it or throw it on the ground, so that's something that's not convenient for the parent. But as far as oral development and ability, she can drink out of an open cup. So that was my review for the Munchkin Miracle 360 cups, the plastic versions and the stainless steel versions. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll help other parents find this review. And if you want to see more videos, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.